My dog's name is Nadine. Everybody calls her baby girl. She's a big dog de Bordeaux, 2.5 years old, and just a big baby. She tore both of her cruciate ligaments at the same time in both knees. So we had option A, which was to do surgery on one leg at a time, which I just didn't feel good about because both of them are torn, and so she's on 2 bad knees. Do surgery on one, she'd only have a bad knee to stand on, recover on another one, and the rehabilitation and the time it takes to bring a dog through that is a few months, and then by the time we got through it again, we would have to go back and do the next one. And my dogs live a very active lifestyle. We have 30 acres of land. We go for big pack walks where everybody runs and romps. I have 11 dogs. I have 3 Bordeaux's and some Frenchies, and so they all just run out there as a group. So Dr. Stramel was pretty concerned about Nadine with her physical activity level, even doing surgery and screws holding, and the recovery of trying to keep her down, which, I mean, it's required for them to rest and be quiet for weeks. And for her to do that with my pack was a pretty big ordeal to look at. So I didn't even know about the option of braces. Dr. Stramel's the one that introduced that to me, and I started looking into it and researching it and talking to people, and Dr. Stramel recommended that he thought that was the best case scenario. You know, these large breed dogs, the Bordeaux's, the life expectancy of these dogs is really only about 8 years, and she's already 2.5. I just couldn't see spending a year or 2 years in recovery and rehabilitation for this girl in going through surgery. That it just doesn't seem like a good option for us. So we decided to go the route of braces, and we did, and so far they're fantastic. She's like a new dog. We put those on her, and at first I was really concerned. We fitted her here, and she acted like she couldn't even get up, and her feet were knuckling under, and within 10 minutes we had her up, and he set up little obstacle courses in here, and she was stepping over them and doing all the things that she needed to do, and she goes out and romps with the pack. She jumps through the horse fencing. We have a pond on the property. She gets in the pond. It's fantastic. We have had adjustments. There are adjustments that have to be made periodically if you get inappropriate wear, which we've sent them back a couple of times now, which I guess is pretty typical for even humans who have, an orthotic made for them. So, we're still a work in progress, still with the adjustments, and I think I might have to send them back another time. She's getting a little tiny sore on one part, but I couldn't be happier about it.